You're not getting away with this.
You look awfully happy today, little one.
Because we're going to the pond, and the ducks will be there.
They will. Maybe we'll feed them if we have time.
And then ice cream?
Sounds like...
I didn't mean to. I tried to fix it. I'm sorry, Mommy.
Oh, sweetheart, it's just hair. Yours will grow back, and it doesn't change how much I love you.
Really?
Little one.
The most.
I'm glad. Let's make it a big adventure together.
Always, Mommy.